Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're given the equation y is equal to x divided by k, and we're told y is equal to 5 when x is equal to 30. We're asked what is the value of y when x is equal to 42. So to find the value of y when x is equal to 42, we just plug in 42 for x. So y is equal to x is 42 divided by k. So we have our thing that's equal to y, but we have this k in here, and none of our final answers have k, so we have to solve for k. So taking the same equation, if we know that y is 5 when x is 30, we plug those values into the equation, right? We now have a way to solve for k. So multiplying both sides by k, we have 5 times k is 5k is equal to 30 divided by k times k, where the k in the numerator and the denominator just cancel, we're left with 30. Dividing both sides by 5, these cancel, we're left with k is equal to 30 divided by 5, or 6. So k is equal to 6, so therefore y is equal to 42 divided by 6. 42 divided by 6 is 7. Your value of y when x is equal to 42 is 7. B is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.